Okay, here we have 1 over 1 plus root 3, and we want to rationalize this. So basically we want to get rid of all radicals down at the bottom in the denominator. We don't want to see this root 3 over here. And how do we do that? How do we get rid of this? Well, the only way is for us to multiply this by the conjugate. And what is the conjugate? Well, it will be the same expression, but with the middle signal switched. So we will multiply this by 1 minus root 3. And up top, of course, the same thing, because we don't want to change the fraction. So we multiply by 1, really. And what does that mean? Let's see what's going to happen. So 1 times 1 minus root 3 is just 1 minus root 3. And down at the bottom, we need to FOIL this expression. The 1 plus root 3 times 1 minus root 3. Okay, so let's continue. I'll just copy the numerator again. And down at the bottom, we need to FOIL. So first, outside, inside, last. So 1 times 1, 1. 1 times negative root 3, negative root 3. Root 3 times 1 is just plus root 3. And root 3 times the negative root 3 is just negative 3. Okay. Now, here up top, we're stuck with 1 minus root 3. Negative root 3 cancels out with root 3. And 1 minus 3, negative 2. Now, look at that. Yeah, we got rid of the root 3's, which is a great thing. And we have 1 minus root 3 all over negative 2. Now, it would just like to simplify this slightly by just actually changing the signals. Every time that we have a negative down in the denominator, we can choose to multiply top and bottom by negative 1. Will that do anything? Yeah, well, we'll switch things around. So negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Negative root 3 times negative 1 is just positive root 3. And negative 2 times negative 1 is just 2. This is, by the way, just to make things look a little nicer. And we have negative 1 plus root 3, which I could even rewrite as root 3 minus 1 all over 2. And this would be, right here, our final answer. Root 3 minus 1 all over 2. We don't have any rationals, or sorry, I meant radicals. Radicals down in the denominator, and that's what we wanted. We wanted to get rid of the root 3. So we have succeeded, and that's it.